They say the night is darkest before dawn. That hope sometimes is the brightest light some people hold on to. Sometimes it's the only light they have. Jharkhand's important revenue earning district. Yet, Pakur has highest infant mortality rate of 52.
EFICOR clearly cares very deeply about the people of India, and in their approach to primary health as well as in their approach to working with people, we felt an affinity with EFICOR.
In this land of darkness and hopelessness, EFICOR was that light. A story that turned things around in a remarkable way and made a difference to the lives of thousands. The strategy was to build capacities, in other words, creating and empowering community health workers who have their fingers on the pulse of the population.
A key achievement of the project is the capacity that was built in the frontline health workers, so the Sahiyas, the Anganwadi workers, also the VHSNCs. EFICOR really worked with them, trained them, mentored them.
Sahiyas go door to door each day, educating pregnant and nursing mothers about the importance of health checkups, supplements, antenatal care, newborn care, and immunization.
EFICOR हमारे साथ 2011 से हमारे साथ जुड़ी है, जिसमें सहिया प्रोग्राम में हमारे साथ कम्युनिटी प्रोसेस कार्यक्रम में हमारे मदद कर रही है। विशेष करके हमारे जो सहिया प्रोग्राम है उसमें जो हमारे सहिया की जो ट्रेनिंग हुई पिछले 6-7 और मॉड्यूल का SBNC की ट्रेनिंग है, उसमें जो टाइम काउंसलिंग के बारे में है, उसमें मदद हमारे EFICOR जो है वो टाइम काउंसलिंग के साथ सहिया के साथ काम कर रही है।
Sahiyas have an important role in promoting deliveries in the hospitals as well. These helped tackle many issues. Like institutional delivery, many people in this area prefer delivering the child at home, which is fraught with risk. Dime, who had lost a child already, was going to deliver her 4th child at home too, when the cluster supervisor intervened and counseled them to have the delivery at the hospital.
2011 की नवंबर से हम लोग EFICOR के साथ पाकुड़ जिला में काम कर रहे हैं। पहले हम लोग 21% तक ही इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिलीवरी करा पा रहे थे। आज EFICOR के मदद से और इनके कम्युनिटी मोबिलाइजेशन के काम से 44% इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिलीवरी हमारे ज़िला में हो रहा है। हम लोग उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि आने वाले दिन में EFICOR का सपोर्ट मिलेगा तो हम लोग और अच्छा काम कर पाएंगे और हमारे जो डिज़ायर्ड गोल है कि 100% इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिलीवरी हो, 100% बच्चे को इम्यूनाइजेशन हो, ये डिज़ायर्ड गोल तक हम लोग पहुंच पाएंगे।
Dime ended up having a safe delivery, and today both mother and child are safe and healthy. Likewise, the project was undertaken to increase the involvement of men and women with a mutual understanding on planning for a child, nutrition during pregnancy, and many other vital issues. Khalik Sheikh, a farmer, and Anjuman Bibi, a housewife, have 7 children. They had their 2 boys vaccinated but didn't feel the need for their 5 girls. The cluster supervisor counseled them on the importance of immunization. Eventually, the couple brought their 7th child for immunization, all thanks to this effort. The Anganwadi means courtyard shelter in Hindi, which provides basic healthcare activities, counseling, nutrition education, supplementation, as well as preschool activities.
EFICOR is supporting ICDS on health and nutrition issues from last 2 years. They have provided growth monitoring chart training to all the Anganwadi workers twice in a year from last 1.5 years. FECOR is continuously monitoring the Anganwadi centers on VHND Day on health and nutrition issues. FECOR has provided IEC at Anganwadi centers on infant young child feeding and exclusive breastfeeding.
The Pakur Mother and Child Survival Project helped 1,135 Anganwadi workers in monitoring the growth of the child by weighing and maintaining a community-based growth monitoring chart. In these far-flung areas that are affected with debilitating poverty, malnourishment is rampant. During the monthly growth monitoring, it was found that Selina was severely malnourished. Her mid-upper arm circumference was 11 centimeters. A cluster supervisor counseled Selina's parents, Babu Beta, who is a labourer, and Talame, a housewife, and advised them to take her to the malnutrition treatment centre, where she was given food along with compensation of Rs 150 for 15 days, and her mid-arm circumference increased to 13 centimeters. Selina is a healthy growing child.
EFICOR जो हमारे हेल्पिंग पार्टनर हैं और न केवल टीकाकरण, इनका काम अन्य तरीके से भी होता है, जैसे पोषण से संबंधित सलाह देना, ये आयरन की गोलियां खिलाने में कि 100 दिनों के गोली खाने से वो कैसे माँ स्वस्थ रह सकती हैं, इस संबंध में इनका भी बहुत सहयोग रहता है, लोगों में जानकारी दी जा रही है।
The Village Health and Nutrition Day is a simple way to get across to people who are not that open to modern ideas of mother and child care. The Village Health and Nutrition Day is promising to be an effective platform for providing first contact primary health care. Many children have been benefited, having received checkups and vaccination. Chandpur Village Health Sanitation and Nutrition Committee was unclear about its roles and responsibilities. There was not even a bank account open for the committee. In December 2013, 270 members from 90 Village Health Sanitation and Nutrition Committees, 15 from each of the 6 blocks, including Sahiyas, went for an exposure visit to Topchanchi block of Dhanbad district. After the exposure visit, Asha Praveen, the cluster supervisor, facilitated the Chandpur committee in filing their self-scoring sheet on the health indicators. VHSNCs are supposed to receive Rs 10,000 per annum from the government, but disbursement has been irregular in the district. Despite the lack of funds, it has generated funds for bleaching powder as a preventive step to minimize the risk of disease in rainy season and for repairing the hand pump to ensure clean drinking water for the villagers. Now, with years of labour, we see the fruits. With quality-trained frontline health workers and better medical facilities, things are looking brighter. This has led to improvement in the level of maternal and newborn care, breastfeeding and nutrition, and care-seeking behaviour during malaria, diarrhea and pneumonia. The mortality rate is expected to drastically fall. Essential healthcare was brought to 1,40,333 women in the 15 to 49 age group, 42,098 children between 0 to 23 months. Nearly all women giving birth at local medical facilities has changed the destiny of the district. Women and their babies with access to basic skilled care during pregnancy, childbirth and the first days after delivery, deaths are being prevented. We've provided the hope, the strength and the empowerment to tackle issues which seemed insurmountable. This work isn't finished and we need your support. To know more about life-changing projects undertaken by FECOR, please visit our website or email us at info@efficor.org. Today, the community at Pakur has become an example of correct care for expectant mothers and children who need care, nutrition and protection.